What's the meaning of consciously? Consciously. Consciously.
Consciously. Consciously. Consciously refers to being aware of something and deliberately acting according to that awareness. It implies a state of mindfulness and intentionality in one's thoughts and actions. When we act consciously, we make choices based on our values and goals, rather than simply reacting impulsively to our surroundings. This allows us to live more purposeful and fulfilling lives, and to have greater control over our own destinies. By cultivating conscious awareness, we can become more effective decision makers and achieve greater success in all areas of life.